In this video, I'm going to show you how to make PlanSwift font bigger. Now, as you can see here, this font is actually quite small right now, and there's no setting inside the app which can do this. However, I'm going to show you how to still do it anyway. So first, you want to close down PlanSwift like this, and then you want to go to your desktop where you have PlanSwift, and you simply want to right-click on your shortcut, and you want to click on Properties. Now, inside Properties, you want to go to Compatibility mode over here, so click on Compatibility, and then from here at the bottom, it's going to say Change High DPI settings. Click on that, and then from here check this high DPI scaling override here, and then switch it from application to system. Click on OK, click apply, and then OK again. And for the next time you open up PlanSwift via your shortcut here on the desktop, you'll be able to see everything is going to be a bit bigger, and then your font is going to be bigger and much easier to read. So let me show you this in a few seconds. When this loads up, there we go. As you can see, the fonts are actually bigger, everything is much bigger and easier to read. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.